everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Valerie, and on my channel I love reviewing affordable beauty products that help you look good without spending too much money. I had picked this wig up for only $34. I was honestly curious to see if a wig at that price would actually look good. My first impression is that this wig feels really soft. Sometimes affordable synthetic wig can feel stiff or plastic-like, but this one actually felt really smooth right away. And by the way, the color I'm wearing is one jet black. It also came in pre-plucked, pre-bleached, which saves time. Don't have to do too much customization, which made the install really simple and easy. Now, because it is synthetic hair, you should expect a little tangle after wearing it for a while. That's completely normal. It was not too thick where it looked bulky, and it also was not too thin where you can see the tracks. It was a nice balance. After I glued my wig in, I just moved the baby hair aside just to make sure everything is in place. Bags, purple tags, I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga, baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit, cause I can back it up. She know I'm shit, so baby, back it up.
He owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted. 5-year bid up north when they read it. Anyway,
calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do on the
anyway, I felt them, poked them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D in the outer. I call him Tabby like Louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at out of his fingers. I'm in the zone. That's like high school. We can slide though.
2.5 year to bachelor's made more sense